Hello friends, my name is Shubhadeep Das. I was teaching you the chapter quadratic equations with one variable from the book Ganit Prakash of class 10 West Bengal Board of Secondary Education. In my previous video, I have completed up to chapter 1. Let us work out 1.4, and after that we have discussed about discriminant of a quadratic equation, nature of roots, and we practiced some examples related to this topic, and after that we learned the sum of two roots and the product of two roots of a quadratic equation. Today we are going to use that, and we also did some questions related to that means sum and product of roots. Today we are going to apply that concept, that means the sum of two roots, that is minus b by a, and the product of two roots, that means c by a. We are going to use this to solve some questions. So let us do application 40. Application 40 says if two roots of the quadratic equation x square plus bx plus q equal to 0 are alpha and beta, then let us express the values of alpha square plus alpha cube plus beta cube and 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta in terms of p and q. Okay. So alpha plus beta, so alpha cube plus beta cube. Okay, so let us find alpha cube plus beta cube. So alpha cube plus beta cube should be equal to alpha plus beta whole cube minus okay. So this is, we can write alpha cube plus beta cube equal to alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3ab plus into a plus b. Now alpha plus beta equal to b by a. Alpha plus beta equal to, we know, minus b by a, that is p by 1. Okay, b and a is 1, right? So minus b by a minus 3 into a into b. So a is 1 and b is p. Again a plus b minus ab, product of two roots, sorry, oh, sorry friends, this is alpha and beta, not a and b. So product of two roots alpha beta equal to c by a, that means c by p by 1, c constant term by the coefficient of x square, and alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, that means coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. Minus into minus plus, so this is the value of alpha cube plus beta cube. So in place of alpha plus beta we can write minus p by 1, because we know the sum of two roots equal to coefficient of x by coefficient of x square with a negative sign. Similarly alpha plus beta equal to minus p by 1 and alpha into beta equal to constant term by coefficient of x square, so q by 1. Okay. So this is our value of alpha cube plus beta cube. Okay, now let us find the value of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. So this is so we know sum of two roots equal to minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square, product of two roots constant term by coefficient of x square. So this is minus p by q. Okay, so this is our 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. Now let us proceed to another question. If two roots of a quadratic equation are known, then how shall we get the quadratic equation? Okay. Let the two roots of a quadratic equation, let the two roots of a quadratic equation be alpha comma beta. And the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay, so let the two roots of a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 be alpha plus beta. Now let us divide the quadratic equation. Let us divide both sides of the quadratic equation by a. So we get x square plus b by a into x plus c by a equal to 0. Now from this equation we are getting this equation. Okay, we are simply dividing this equation by a. Now we can write it like this. Okay, minus minus plus, so we are changing it like this. We know minus b by a is the sum of two roots, and c by a is the product of two roots. So if we know the roots of a quadratic equation, okay, we can directly get that quadratic equation. Okay, when we know the two roots, we can directly get the quadratic equation by using this thing. Let us now do application 43, which says if alpha and beta are the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then let us determine the quadratic equation which has roots alpha by beta and beta by alpha. Okay. So this is our question. Now let us do it. We have to first find out the sum and product of the roots to find out the required quadratic equation. So we can say alpha plus beta from this equation. Okay, from this information we can write alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a and alpha beta equal to c by a. Now putting these values, we get and the product of two roots equal to 1. Okay, and therefore the required quadratic equation is x square minus, okay, alpha plus beta. That means the sum of two roots, that is this, plus product of two roots, that is 1, equal to 0. Now if we multiply both sides of the equation by AC, we get so this should be our required equation. Yes, it is correct. B square minus, oh sorry, this is this is 2AC. Okay, this is 2AC, not 4AC. So our equation is correct. Now let us proceed to let us work out 1.5. Let us work out 1.5. Number 1. Let us write the nature of roots of the following quadratic equations. So to find out the nature of roots, we should find the value of b square minus 4ac. That means so this is so this is greater than 0. That means therefore roots are real and unequal. Okay, now let us do Roman 2. Okay, now let us do Roman 2. Now let us find the discriminant part, that is b square minus 4ac, which is equal to 0. That means roots are real and equal. Okay, roots are real and equal. Now let us proceed to Roman 3. So b square minus 4ac. So this is less than 0. Therefore roots are not real. Now Roman 4. Let us multiply this equation, both sides of this equation, by 15. Now we can find out the discriminant part. So which is greater than 0. Therefore the roots are real and unequal. Now question 2 says, by calculating, let us write the values of k for which each of the following quadratic equation has real and equal roots. Therefore, the discriminant part is b square minus 4 into a into c. Okay, but according to the question, this equation has real and equal roots. Okay, therefore this part should be equal to 0. So the values are plus minus 14. Friends, I have made a mistake in question number 4 of 1, question number Roman 4 of 1, when I am multiplying the equation by 15. When I am multiplying the whole equation by 15, okay, this should become 15. This is not 1. Okay, so 4ac, this is 15. So this number, this is not 24. Okay, so 15 into 4, which is 60. 60 into 6, 360. So this number is less than 0. Okay, so this part is not correct. Very sorry friends for my mistake. Therefore the roots are not real. Okay, now Roman 1 of 2, it is correct. Now let us proceed to Roman 2. Now friends, let us do Roman 2 of 2. Therefore the discriminant part, that is b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac, this part is equal to 0. Let us take this quantity to the right side. or k equal to 25 by 24. So this is our value. Now let us do Roman 3. Cancelling it by 12. So the value of k is 16. Now let us do Roman 4. Now let us do it. So this is our quadratic equation. Now let us find out the discriminant. Okay, so it has real and equal roots. Therefore b square, that means minus 10 minus 4k minus 4ac, 4 into 1 into c, 4ac. This discriminant should be equal to 0. So this part becomes 100 plus when we take minus common, okay, that minus 1 comes out of this bracket with a square. So minus 1 square is 1. Okay, so the numbers inside the bracket become positive. That is why inside the bracket we only have 10 plus 4k. So a plus b whole square, that means 100 plus 2 into 10 into 4k plus 16k square minus equal to 0. So this part is 80k and this part is minus 120k, so it becomes 16k square minus 40k plus 16 equal to 0. And now if we cancel this, if we divide both sides of the equation by 4, we get now we can break the middle term as therefore k equal to 2 or half. So these are the two values of k. Now let us do our next question. So this is our equation. It has therefore b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Now or if we divide both sides of the equation by minus 4, we get dividing both sides by minus 4. So 2k square minus k minus 1 equal to 0. Now So these are the values of k. Thank you friends for watching my video, and if you have any question or any suggestion, you can put that in the comment section. And if you find my videos helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Your one subscription will help me a lot, and it will motivate me to do better work. Please friends, support me. We shall come with another video where we shall be solving the rest of the questions. We shall be solving rest of the questions of this chapter. Thank you.